Hello, hello. I'm back. Look at my badge. Yes, show everyone my badge. Exactly. Can you see the insect there? It feels like a cemetery on my badge. It's like someone died. I have a truth. Okay, I've never done an MUN properly in college, and I got to be the representative. I'm cackling like a witch. I think that just shows my passion. I'm never going to be a part of MUN. Intraman I'm not doing. Please don't tell anyone. Yeah, it's a secret. I like watching her videos. I was like watching Nafisa's vlog like the day before, her letters to herself. And oh my god, OG. OG letters. Something like I would write to my daughter. Yeah. That deep. And I went maybe very good, or like something that's supposed to be passed down, like letters like Franz Kafka wrote letters about his father. Like you can just write letters and just leave it, yeah, and then die peacefully. Like what if I die before I have a daughter? Then means I don't have a daughter then. Yeah, I don't have a teenage. Shit, I didn't even think about that. I gotta go then. Hold up, let me come back and give my badge.
Yes. Anyways, guys, the tulips are here. We will be delivering them to my classmates in another department, and we packed it yesterday night. This was literally made in 2 days. Made in 2 days, guys. Made in 2 days. Insane, I know, but yeah. And all credit goes to mother. And then I had to pack it up at like 10:30 yesterday night. So yep. Hello. Welcome back. Hello.
Hello. Yeah, you know what happened near my area? Okay, we were doing Ladu Nabi. Okay, and the thing is, yeah, doing all of this, and it was like going on till 3 a.m. and it was so annoying. And then they started doing mic checking, and guess how they did mic checking? They were like, okay. They're like, I cannot. It's so funny. It's guys at the same time. They were like, I cannot. They were like, mic chick, mic chick. I was like, whose chick are you calling? Mic chick. Yeah. It was mic chick. I mean, I was appalled. I was like, damn. English language. Yeah, exactly. And English language has evolved. It has clearly evolved. It was like mic chick. I mean, yeah. I don't think they said mic. They said mic chick. Maybe they. They might have said a chick, Mick chick flick. Mick chick. Mick chick. Yeah, Mick chick. Yes. Hello chick. No, they were like hello chick. Hello chick. I was like, damn. Who are you calling?
What? Yeah, like Mick chick. What other vibes? Mick chick.
And hello chick.
Hello chick. Hello chick. That's, I don't know if this is disrespectful when I'm laughing, but it's
No.
funny, bro.
But I think it's called the evolution of English language. Damn, I kind of go into an existential crisis. Existential crisis when I get this mic. It's like it makes me think about. Actually, it makes me think about Plato and what was he thinking. And like I mean, imagine they had so much free time. They had nothing to do. They had no studies, but to think. It's agonizing. It's quite bad. I don't think I can survive this. Imagine. Look at that forest there. Look at what they've done to the forest. It's already burned down. It looks like a horror movie. Down there.
Oh wait.
Yeah,
Oh,
down
okay.
there. Yeah.
Sorry, my bad. Yours.
Yeah. Put the camera down. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Looks quite. Yeah, look at that hanging. Oh my god. Can you see that hanging down there? Yeah, down there. Go down there. Oh my god, that looks like a scene from a very cryptic horror movie. I swear. I mean, and then look at the, like the small benches. Can you see? Yeah, like clean. Yeah, like small. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, it looks so serene right there. It looks like a small English village. Yeah, it looks like we've come to the countryside of England. Countryside of England.
Yeah, countryside indeed.
Yeah, it looks quite serene. Exactly. It makes It makes me want to become William Wordsworth, and that makes me want to become. It makes me want to become Chirel. This is legit me during exams, and that is me legit, like yeah.
Unusual day.
Yeah, unusual days, and that is me on my periods. I need to cancel this, girl.
Hi, I have not even made it, and you're talking about me getting cancelled. What is this?
It's called foresight. I'm Plato now. It's called being. Imagine they had nothing to do but to think. Giving me a day to think, acting, I can give actual. I can become a plate. I can actually become a plate.
Please.
Yeah, and guess what? And guess what it has there? It said monograms of LV. And I was like, wow, how did you get it? She's like, I got it. I'm like, excuse me, that's LV. She's like, I know that's LV. And that is LV. And I'm like, excuse me. But taking out LV, it looks so good. And just turn around, it was fine. Yeah.
Yes, hi. Oh, we have the mic now.
Yeah, it's the first day.
It was supposed to be iconic, but it sucked. Yeah.
So many teachers.
And
Just bombarded.
even if it was just 35 minutes, it was so boring. So boring.
Very boring, very traumatizing.
Sleeping since like the first 5 minutes of today.
I literally came in late, by the way.
Same. I came in 2 minutes before you.
Okay. Yeah, and I was like, oh my god, but it was just a chill professor, so it was fine. But then she was like, not from now
anymore,
onwards.
guys. If the principal sees them.
Yeah. And she was passing by and I had my phone outside. I was sitting in the last bench and she looks at me using my phone.
Not
I'd
being
be
able
like,
to spare
yeah.
1,000.
And then I was like, ekdam, achanak, I just shoved my phone inside and I was like, oh my god, if she saw me, I would be done.
I did this once.
But I don't like what happened today. A lot of
I did not have
professors.
my last period, so I attended her last period.
It was chill.
as hell.
Journalism classes
It was
are always
literally chill though because AC.
chill. AC was on. That was such a win.
Yes.
AC was on. Amazing vibes, guys. Amazing vibes. But then the major classes sucked,
Oh my
bro.
No,
Yes.
and the syllabus was so long.
So extensive for what? I mean,
हर चीज का overview. Like,
Yes.
are you for real?
हम overview में भी इतना पढ़ना पड़ता है, bro.
Overview they'll give for 20 marks. Like,
For real. And they'll combine multiple theories into one 20-mark
there's an
question.
ant on your back.
Yeah. Why is it there? Walk
Let's-
off.
Walk off, queen.
Walk off. That's it, guys. Bye bye. Yeah, because I did that before. I thought 20%. Wait, take that. Yeah, let me. Are you prepared? No, very sad.
Neither is my head prepared, nor am I prepared. Only people who should be scared of are these college people because of my answers. Answers are very clear.
I don't know what to do. What is that good for me?
It's that masala mixed with
Imagine if someone just has this and then has it. It's like, imagine.
And then they'll pay for it. I've done that thing. What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Drinking from there.
No, that is fine.
But
But
fine,
such a
no.
huge Tetra pack.
Oh no.
That.
I've
I will be tempted. I don't like to look at.
He's also there. There is 60 rupees. Okay. You give.
Let's do a review. This is yours, this is mine. I like the star thing here. Mine is very chotu. I didn't want the shell for this thing.
I like this one.
Yeah, I didn't want it. Is that a... Oh, that's a heart. Heart for me. So nice.
Nice.
I like this. Nice one.
Oh my god.
Damn.
That one looks
This is hers.
so cute. Down there. They're charging for the
This is nice. I like it. It's very pretty. Dainty. टूटेगा ना तो मेरा दिल टूट जाएगा भाई.
But I'm glad we both have it, so I don't have to.
तो टूटेगा साथ में.
That's what it is.
I'm going to open
Because
this.
whoever's putting another will do it on both sides. इसका भी अच्छा है, इसका भी अच्छा है.
मरे भी साथ में, जिए भी साथ में. Okay, ASMR.
You're gonna have to make the taste that. Okay?
Yes, I'll.
I'll make you taste this.
Okay, we are doing taste testing.
Yeah. Taste.
चलो तो पहला sip to you.
If I don't like it, you're dead.
Why? Review. Why did you make that? She's making faces, man. You don't like it? She doesn't like it.
It tastes like Sprite-ish.
Sprite-ish, no? That's why I like it because it's very simple. I don't know.
It's for people who don't want to drink, like, you know, and they're in a party, and they're like, yeah, they're just drink ginger ale.
Is this person? Yeah, I'm moving. Why not? Yeah, it's one of it. It's one of it. I don't like it. I only like to...
Drink the juice then. Open the juice of that.
And if that thing comes out...
Then just eat it. It's so good. It's not a monster.
Oh my
It's
god.
not a monster.
Which one is this? Grape.
Grapes. Don't drink the strawberry one. Strawberry one. I am.
I don't like the chunks. I only like the juice. I only like the juice. I don't like the chunks. Had this been chilled, it would have been much better. But this is the vibe.
You can ask for a chill one.
They couldn't, no? So what last
You would
time?
have given it.
Damn, we should have realized the bird here. I like this. These are the vibes. This table is a vibe. I feel very uncomfortable. Hi, vibe.
So this.
This is another hall. Protein bar? Protein bar. Okay. Chalo. Unboxing.
This opening, but this is just so
Fine. It is fine. Okay. Struggling.
I'm running away from it.
I feel like we've just been running around so much. These are the vibes.
This is how it looks.
This is how it looks. Let's see how it tastes.
Okay, I will. What the hell is wrong with
So pretty.
So pretty.
Very aesthetic actually. Oh my god, green pink contrast. I like this.
I like this.
Raspberry and lemon flavored.
Do you think I did? I took it out from my display.
Yes.
I legit took it out from the display.
Took it from there, that
Yeah,
point,
yeah.
written there.
And they don't usually give it out on display. So,
Oh,
she's
why?
gonna thank me for this.
Yes, she will. shadowy picture क्या मतलब how do you take that? Dancing video. करो तुम. I can't. This is a vibe. Very. भाई क्या मस्त है.
Wait, do this.
Yeah, yes. Yeah, that guys. Almost been bumped by a scooter and I did. दिखाओ दिखाओ पता बलून दिखाओ. Oh my god, करने वाला. अच्छा मस्त. Oh my god. Collect.